The administration zone is the next major area to explore. You switch to the admin zone here and will need to enter your password again. This is the area where you'll edit personal details like your contact info, mailing address, etc. if that changes. We take regular assessments of reading and spelling in order to track progress throughout the course after taking a baseline reading at the outset. If you want to see those results of either the reading or spelling assessor, you can do so by clicking on the green info button next to their name in the admin zone, here. The R indicates reading, the S spelling. The next number, like L5 or L6, indicates their current level out of a total of 8. These don't correspond to reading age, by the way. Rather, they are an internal measurement of Easyread progress on the system. The final number, like T3 or T7, indicates the average amount of time in seconds they spent on each word in the test. If you ever want to add a new learner, you can do that here. When you need to book appointments to talk to us, you can do that here. The way the time zones are laid out in the booking agent we use is a bit confusing, so be sure you scroll through all the options. Here is the time zone for Australia Eastern Time, for instance, not to be confused for East Coast of the US. Our hands-on consultation approach is a key part of what we've accomplished over the last decade. So don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or confusion. We have lots of experience with a wide variety of issues that arise and will usually be able to either help you directly or refer you on to someone else who can. The final important area in your account is the help page, which has a bunch of useful resources available to you at any time. You can find advice on how to fix technical glitches here. They are usually caused by a corruption of a page on download, so you will need to delete the browsing history of the internet browser you are using before logging back into the lessons. Full instructions can be found here. There is also a printout of the Easyread images on this page, as well as access to the first lessons where they're all introduced. Any other free resources we can provide can be found there as well. The most important images resource is the card set, which allows you to revise any of the characters which are less familiar to the learner. Cut the sheets into cards and set aside the ones that are familiar. Then focus on revising the tricky ones before each lesson until they're all familiar. So that's a brief introduction to the back end of Easyread to get you started. I hope it all makes sense, but you have the messaging system to check anything that isn't clear, of course. Let's now move on to a final quiz. Good luck!